The Tiny Kingdom Story. A long time ago, there was a magical place called the Kingdom of Matter. Everything around us was built from the people of this kingdom. But the people were so tiny that you couldn't see them even with a simple microscope. In the heart of the kingdom lived a great king called the Nucleus Crown. The king stayed in his big palace, right in the center of the kingdom. With him were strong soldiers called protons heavy plus sign, who carried positive charges. Next to them were peaceful friends called neutrons white circle, who had no charge at all. But the kingdom wouldn't be safe without the secret guards called electrons high voltage. They were very light and super fast, always running in circles around the palace. Just like planets move around the sun glow showing Europe, Africa sun. And the bigger the kingdom grew, a new element. The more protons lived inside the palace, and the more electrons danced around it. Sparkle's moral of the story. Atom equals the kingdom, nucleus equals the palace in the center, protons, plus, equals the positive soldiers neutrons, 0, equals the neutral friends electrons, equals the speedy guards circling around.